Might be in an issue where for some reason your Snapchat filters are just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you're going through onto Snapchat like this. Well, maybe you're onto Snapchat and maybe the filters that you're using to the side, maybe like these filters aren't working right here and you're missing the filters at the bottom. Well, that can happen for lots and lots of different reasons. But the very first thing I would recommend doing is making sure that your location is actually on and sharing to Snapchat. Because if that's not the case, then it may not work for you. So what I would recommend doing here is going into your system settings like this, scrolling down until you see your location services, or you can even go into your specific Snapchat area like this. Android, you can also do the exact same thing. And you want to go into location and just make sure your location is actually being shared to their specific pages. If it is not being shared, well, that is pretty much going to be the main reason why this is not working. So just make sure it's sharing, and that can usually help alleviate the situation for the most part. Now, for some reason, that is still not working, well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going through and just seeing if you can exit out of Snapchat. So just completely get out of Snapchat like this and just go back into the Snapchat application like so. And you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. So go ahead and take the photo, whatever, go back into your filters and see if it pops up. If it still doesn't pop up, the next thing I'd recommend doing is seeing if there's an update available for Snapchat. So just go into your app store like this. Go ahead and click up here into your little icon up here. Go ahead and start typing in Snapchat. And all I would recommend doing is just going into Snapchat here and seeing if there's an update available. If there is an update available within Snapchat, and that is really all you're going to have to do is just update the Snapchat application, and that will probably end up fixing the problem. I would probably argue for a majority of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and the problems are then probably going to be solved. Now, if you're still having issues, I would recommend probably rebooting your phone, checking your Wi-Fi connection, or maybe even going to a website like downdetector.com or isitdown.com or Twitter and seeing if Snapchat's trending, or even just go to the comment section of this video and see if Snapchat's trending there, and just see if Snapchat is trending on here. If Snapchat is on here and it's like number 1 or 2, well, that probably means Snapchat's down, and you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix the problems. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.